Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. We see a reaction to our trend reversal area here, but it's just not strong enough yet to really confirm we are already in a third wave rally. Yeah, it's so far only a 3-wave rally here, which could become a 5-wave rally. It's just that from what we can currently see, it's only 3 waves. Important is though that it reacted to the trend reversal area. So at the moment, I would assume we have a chance at least to rally here in this third wave. Target for this third wave that we've got there on the chart would be the 1.618 fib extension. So that hasn't changed to the last video. And we talk here about the 84 cent level as a minimum. But yeah, I mean, that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to work out. It just means that in a third wave, if this is the third wave, it needs to get there basically to continue with upside momentum. And this would be a reasonable target. But at the moment, just due to the sideways price action, I can't really confirm to you that this is going to play out. I think it should if other cryptos are following their wave counts as well. But I did talk about it in several other altcoin videos that these coins, they should really go now. I mean, they should really go now unless we continue to see, unless we really are having a wrong assumption here and indeed we continue with the bear market. But the 34.7 cent level, and that's why we use Elliott wave, that's why we use these fib levels, that will already indicate that something's not quite right here and we might break down, because that's a 78.6 fib retracement measured of the 10th of March low to the 15th of March high. So it's a 5-wave move. This is impulsive. So I'm counting the move down as a WXY pattern, and it can be counted as a 1-2 setup. I would go with that as long as we're holding 34.7 cents. If we break below it, yeah, well, there's one more chance and we could then reset possibly here, circle wave 2. But then as long as we hold above as long as we're holding then above 17.4 cents, there is still a chance to rally in this larger third wave. It's just that we're losing a wave degree. And it could potentially drop quite a lot, first to 28 cents and then 17.4. Typically, you will see a reaction in one way or another to one of these fib levels. So that's why I'm highlighting, okay, we could then drop to the golden ratio here of the larger move or even the 78.6 fib level. But below 17.4 cents, I would go bearish on this chart. It would have used up all its bullish potential by then. Ideally, we're not going to drop below the 9th of April low, which was this 36.7 cent level. Because if we do, it would increase probabilities that we're also losing 34.7 cents. So at the moment, I mean, again, all we can do, we see that trend reversal area is holding and we have to treat it like that. This one did hold, yeah, which is fantastic. Now just we need to see if this one is holding as well and we can rally in this third wave. There's not enough structure really to work with yet. Again, this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. The small problem I have now is that this wasn't really strong enough for a third wave. Let's just double check that. But normally what you would want to see is it to go to the 1.618 extension. Nearly reached 46.4 cents. We reached 46 and we're coming down quite a lot. Now, also fine, but we should avoid an overlap with wave 1. So if I'm having here, if I'm charting this as a small 5-wave move, but we're really going into the nitty-gritty here, then I would do it like that. But ideally in this fourth wave, we're avoiding an overlap with that 42.1 cent level basically here, the wave 1 high. That's what we need to avoid. Otherwise, it just is corrective, right? And will make things difficult. There is not much more to update here because all we need to see now, does our reversal area hold? And we still have this possible 1-2-1-2 setup on the chart. That is quite a bullish setup, but it's the same story as with many other altcoins. I mean, they are in a good position to go from here. Everything is prepared in the chart. Ethereum and Bitcoin have made a good move. Some of the altcoins have made good moves. Most altcoins actually have left our trend reversal areas by now to the upside. But for a real third wave rally, it's not really impulsive enough. I want to see something like that for a third wave. Yeah. In the end, this was a 5th wave, but this is really how a third should look like. I mean, we had it here as well in this third wave, and with an extended 5th wave here. But this is sort of how it should go. Now, you can often not prepare because it happens very quickly. So this can go at any time now like that. But then it's typically too late to react. That's why we like the pullbacks, okay? But you never know if the pullback area is holding. Typically they do. Yeah, I mean, in most cases they do actually hold, which is good, but obviously it's never guaranteed. So we just need to wait and see now. And ideally it's reaching those levels that I indicated. Now to the upside, next key resistance. Well, there is some resistance above 52.9 cents. I mean, a break above that would already increase probabilities that we are in a third wave. And then it's really the break above the wave 1 high. That's at 57.8 cents. Okay, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.